Morning guys, another day here in Samoa as we prepare for my Nana's day. We got some of my cousins here. I don't know the rest of those other guys. So that's Mayama in the blue, Fai'u in the green, and the two other guys. Don't know. And that's my grandma's grave. And there's Ossi. And my cousin Gavika, my uncle Tama, and some other dude in the red. Can't get that car on.
No, it's delaying us.
Oh, vai get mad. Olha Samsung. Sudah versi mau mayam lamu. Look at his shoe. Look at his shoe. Ew, what a toe jam. Wait.
See, this is like where from the safety. Vai se lá ver. Look at Dad.
It's my dad. No, you don't. I'm helping. Hey, Ossi. Wait. You got it out. We're off to Apia to go and buy some things. Ossi!
Oi, mango.
Can you put my phone in your pocket?
Oi, we didn't put sunscreen on.
It's alright. It's natural.
It's not natural.
So we're on our way to Apia right now to go and buy some things for my grandmother's day. We're gonna go get some cups, plates, and stuff like that. Say hi to the viewers. So this is my beautiful village of Pastote. I swear every time I come to Samoa I always look like this. Look like a big alien googly eye. But I promise this is not the real me. But we're here in Pastote. This is my dad's village, my grandmother's village. Well, my grandmother's husband's village, my grandpa. She's from Sakapuala originally. And then she was Ngofokange in Pastote in my grandfather's village. And this is practically my family's house. That one there. Beautiful Samoa.
Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva ile música, lea uamanaya. Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva ile música.
Hello everyone. Here with my brother, Maisa. Yeah. Because we get the right button better. Going to do some shop today.
Just stopped off here at Bluebird and everybody's left me. I'm on the ute by myself. So So I just thought I'd pull out my laptop and start working on my grandmother's presentation. I'm in charge of doing the video presentation for her. And one thing I want to say, I can never look good in Samoa, honestly, no matter how hard I try. And like, unless I'm staying at a hotel, but really, this weather never helps me out. Never ever helps me out. I always look like a homeless. My hair's always everywhere. I cannot wear makeup, like honestly, you can forget that. Because I got so many photos of my grandmother and I. Obviously no one just wants to watch my grandmother and I, but I've got so many, so I've got to make sure that it's fair on everyone and everyone's included. But this is it.
Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva ile musica, lea uamanaya. Eva Maya, Eva Maya, Eva ile musica, lea uamanaya.
Please on the track, nigga.
Mama yo chica, ma efese mai. Tu ile musica, lea uaonge mai. Lima chica, ma esiva mai. Ola eteta asiva siva mai.
So we have a flat situation. We've got a flat tire. Did you see what I did there? Not sure what happened. It's this back one here. I think my mum went over something. We're trying to get as much footage as we can for you guys, but we've been so busy. We're here for my grandmother's funeral, not here for a holiday, so I'm going to try my very best to get as much footage as I can while we're here. Siaosi stayed home to help my dad, and I've come to Opia to buy material for my grandmother's grave tomb, or you know, the coffin when we put her in. They did it for free, so I gave them $10 each.
They did it for free too.
Oh,
That's what I was saying, we're gonna keep them like a lover.
I am so hot, guys. I got us some ice cream at that shop we stopped at, and it was so hot. Thank God for those helpers. Actually, they wanted to do it for free. They didn't want any money, so we gave them money anyways. Can't believe this. These kids finish school and they come straight here to work. If you're going 5 years old. Ayatui. Sfurua. Piluya. Kui freedom. You're in year 7. Stand up. You look 6. I can't believe that. These kids are so young, and this is what they do for a living to get money. After school they come here and they work. We're still going. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. We're still going, just painting the house. We got our trusty helpers here. And we got Ossi, which y'all haven't seen in a while. No, I like Ossi. Whatever. This is my cousin Mace. Oh, I already introduced you guys, right? Sorry, excuse me. And my sister over here is setting up decorations for my... I can't get it out of my head. Getting Oh, decorations. Mom! I'll just chuck it on the masingi. Oh. Well. Oh. Decorations for my grandmother's day. So we got some aircon going on here, which was installed. My dad did it yesterday, and we've repainted our whole house. It used to be like that off cream up there, but now it's white. And Molly's decorating inside. And I'm over here in this corner, still doing my grandmother's presentation. Still doing my grandmother's presentation. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday and we're still going, as you can see. I fell asleep at 2 o'clock and my sister and my cousin kept going for nothing really, because they didn't keep what was here. There's Siaosi. Oh, it looks beautiful already. So apparently we're doing the leo in here, that's why we are setting it up. My grandmother's going to be laying in here in her coffin. And basically, if you're not pretty sure, leos are the purpose of leos is to give the community, I guess. Now this is just mine, okay? Don't roast me if you think that I'm wrong, but it's basically a chance to give the village and the community a chance to come and show their respect. So each of the churches will come and they will sing and give their respect to my grandmother. And that's basically their gift to say that's our respect. And it just depends like on different gifts. So people can bring si'is and people can bring leos, like a leo, and that's their gift. A si'i is when they come and they bring gifts. They actually bring gifts as respect, and sometimes it can be in the form of, well, mainly, majority of the time it's in the form of cans, like we call them pusa'apas, and they're cans of like 24 of canned fish, tin fish, or tinned beef, corned beef. For example, if they gave $500 and, you know, 4 pusa'apas, which is tin fish, and 1 pusa'apa of corned beef, then we would probably just keep 300 and then gift them back the 200. Some people don't accept it. They just say, no, we've come clean, we just want to give you that, we're not accepting it, and then we'll just accept it. But basically in our culture, there's things called chiefs, and the long story short is they give gifts, you give gifts. That's how it is. And there's a saying that it's like, if you translate it, it's like respect to respect. So fa'alu alu ile fa'alu alu. But these are my little cousins, or this is my niece, my cousin's daughter, and her name is Hosanna. And this is my little cousin, his name is Manuia, which means blessed. And this is my other nephew, Mayama. And I'm having a sore tummy, guys, to be honest. And as I was editing the presentation, I just felt really upset, like not seeing grandma here. It's just so, it just doesn't feel real. It just doesn't feel real. I'm in love with the shape of push and pull like what magnets do. What my heart is falling through. I'm in love with your body. Hi guys, we haven't picked up the camera all day. I just want to quickly show you guys what the house looks like now after decorating it. Taken us all these hours. And my sister and the girls did a wonderful job here. It's beautiful. Got some Chrissy lights there. That white black that backboard is for the projector. I've just finished editing or doing up the presentation. It's 4 more minutes till it's compressed. We'll test it out. This is just the house on a different angle. It's very, very nice. And it's very sad, my grandmother is on her way. She came by cargo. She left with a visa and is coming back by cargo. And she's gonna lie directly there. And I just want to test out her video with all her photos. So we'll see how that goes. But everyone's done a fantastic job, because I love the saying that my dad always says is many hands make light work.
We just make the little pools out. Oh my god, this is so sad. I can't believe it.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.